Hello everyone, and welcome to this episode of How to Do It. Sometimes when you are hungry and you do not feel like cooking and your wallet is empty, there is one thing that can help you very fast, and that is a microwave. You just put in your food and in a couple of minutes you are ready to eat. But wait a minute before you start. Some things might go wrong whilst you are trying to use a microwave. And so let me show you just how not to do it. Don't put in eggs, unpeeled tomatoes, unpeeled potatoes or melons, because the hot air inside these objects, when it heats up, will have no way of escape, and that would make it explode. Don't put in metal because it will harm your microwave and your food. And so be careful with packs of pizza and lasagna because they may be made of metal and not microwave proof. Please check your pots and see if they are microwave proof, otherwise your food might explode as well. Well, there goes my lunch. I better start cleaning now. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.